Did the lender tell you that you have a 0 credit score? Or maybe you're the lender and you just pulled a client with 0 credit score. Listen, I have a technique that will create not only a score, but a really good score within about 10 days. And you might have even noticed this, that Credit Karma said you have a credit score. Maybe your Experian app says you have a credit score, or any one of the monitorings. But then the lender pulls their Fico Classic, which is where all this information from us, if you're following us, is about. It's about the Fico Classic. Why? Because that's the score that the lenders use. That's the one that determines a yes or no. That's the one that makes a difference at the end of the day. So no matter what your Credit Karma says, your Fico 8 says that you see on Experian app or any of your other monitoring reports, it really doesn't matter when the score that the lenders use is the Fico Classic. So again, Dennis Hubbard, Credit Firm Inc., and this is what we do. We've helped tens of thousands of people since 2009. Folks are living in new homes today that could not qualify in very short period of time. And specifically, we're going to talk about what to do if you have a 0 score, what to do if you're even ghost credit altogether. Here we go. Okay, so the lender just told you had a 0 credit score, and we talked a little bit about how that might have confused you given the fact that your monitoring score said you had a score. But why? Why is the case? Well, it takes, if you haven't had any credit history in the last 2 years, even if you've had all kinds of stuff paid off in your past, but you haven't done anything in the last 2 years, chances are, or you've only done a minimum amount, chances are you do not have a credit score yet. Now with the Fico Classic algorithm that the lenders use, usually it is about 6 months worth of credit history before it's enough to populate the credit score. And even then it has to be the right type of history. You know, going to get a little signature loan, hell, you could still go 2 years from now and not have a credit score if that's all you did. The most important thing you can do to create a credit score is with a revolving account like a credit card, right? Because it gives you, not only does it give you the new payment history that a regular loan would, but it also gives you the other factor that FICO looks at, and that's called utilization. Those two factors will be enough to create a credit score after 4 to 6 months on average. So how do we do this in 10 days? An authorized user. If you have somebody that you know has never been late on their account, their credit card, they keep their balances low in comparison to the limit, hey, have them add you to their credit card. In many cases, that account will then report to your credit. They don't have to hand you the card, they can cut it up. Now here's the thing, over the last 2 or 3 years, when people are adding other folks as an authorized user, they're not always showing, or maybe they only hit 1 of the 3 reports. We do have a list of vetted cards that we can add you to, perfect payment history, perfect utilization, which means the balances are very low versus the limit, and we know that they hit all 3 credit reports 90% of the time. The other 10% of the time, they're only hitting 2, which is great because that gets your middle score where you need it for the lender. Now, we also know what day it's going to hit, so we'll be able to say, here's what it's going to do to your score, and here's what day it's going to hit. We take away all the guesswork, and it is a fast and wonderful solution. Yeah, it's a good idea to still establish credit from there, but at least that gets you into position, especially if you're trying to buy a house, for that lender to be able to say yes and get that loan approved with. Hope that blesses you. Talk to you on the next one.